trunk does open. Yeah. I will start hunting to find electronics and motor for this. The epoxy's still sticky. I had started piling on epoxy in the front because there's a tiny little gap. One of my only little mistakes I made right there. I'm just going to fill it with epoxy. No epoxy on the outside yet. It's the first ever balsa wood anything I've built. I did a little, I guess you would call it a pirogue or a canoe thing years ago. Just some shitty piece of bamboo that was broken. And some other little pieces of wood. This though, the only piece of pine in the whole thing is right here. And that was a piece of a popsicle stick. This is basswood. Basswood for all of the pieces like this, all the way around the edges. This is all basswood. This is either oak. I think it's red oak, honest. It was out of a Sears Silvertone 1956 guitar that was broken beyond repair, and I just kept the good pieces. Nice little straight solid pieces. Been in a box for years. That's what's on the back. So that's solid. This is door skin. Classic boat builder technique. RC boats. That's balsa in there. That's the same as the runners and the rear. I don't know all the technical terms for boats, so just bear with me. I watch a lot of Ironclad RC, and he builds a lot of stuff and does a lot of boats, all boats mostly. And started watching Dr. Jet and M5, and there's several others. Took inspiration from just about every builder I saw. It came up with the little idea here, and it's 1/32 scale on the dime. Used the online calculator. It's 5 5/8 inches, which would equivalent to a 15-foot life-size boat. And I kind of crossed several different old like ski boats and race boats to come up with the look that I was going for. Kinda. The front's a little stubbier than I wanted, but I can work with it. It'll match with this car perfectly. The top I will cut out here. I don't know if that's showing up good. I used a penny to make the curves, and literally the basswood strip that goes all the way through drops in those little notches in the front. Fits almost perfect. I'm going to make some more strips to go around the outside edge. This will have to be curved around the back, and it will be curved multi-directions. It curves across the top too, across the front. The whole thing is going to be curved on the top. But I have no idea what electronics I'm going to use. I don't have anything to put in it. I've just kind of been winging it. I used that. Pretty damn good stuff. I had to weight this down for basically a half a day to get that to stick, because I thinned it with a little too much alcohol and it just took forever. My room's nice and cool. Nano size brushless drone motor, I'm assuming. I have no idea what the hell to put in this thing. I'm gonna have to hand make the entire prop drive. I have no idea. I've never done any of this before. I do those, so those. That's yeah, my mess. Tiny desk. Anyway, give me a like. Appreciate watching.